quickly show you how you connect to the GoLook camera that's in there. So it's a simple case of picking the Wi-Fi of whichever camera you wish to connect to. So what we're going to do is connect to the front camera, which is the Tesla front, and then we open up the GoLook app. And then once the app's open, we can click on the blue button and it will give us a live view of what's happening right now. And if you want to turn yourself around, that's what you'll see. If we want to see what's on the camera, what's been recorded already, we click the button there to go into the albums, and then you've got your wonderful mode, your urgent mode, your loop mode. Your urgent mode is actually, it records whilst the Tesla's parked up, so if there's any motion whilst the car's parked up, it will be triggered. And you can see there's me, and it will trigger dead in the center. So it will actually, once the camera's been triggered, it will record an 8-second clip prior to the trigger and then an 8-second clip afterwards. So you can see me walking around there. What I'm going to do is show you how quick it is to download that clip from the camera. So if I pause that and then click download, you can see there it's downloading. If I click back, this is the speed at how quick that downloads to the phone. And then once it's downloaded, if I click back and then click in albums, this is the local folder now, so this is within the phone, so that's on my phone now. If I wish to download it again and put it into my iPhotos, if I click download and then I go into my photos, and there it is. So once again, partway through that clip, that's where it was triggered, and then you can actually zoom in and move it around. What a shady looking guy.